Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix OSPPREARM. There was an error when trying to rearm Office. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you're trying to rearm Microsoft Office using the OSPPREARM method. But instead of everything running smoothly, you ended up with an error saying there was an error when trying to rearm Office. And in some cases, it may also show an error code. In this paragraph, I'm going to explain why this error happens and more importantly, how you can fix it. The main reason this error appears is because of a license conflict on your device. Most Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers come with Microsoft Office 2016 pre-installed. But if you later upgraded to a newer version such as Office 2019, Office 2021, or Microsoft 365, your new installation ends up conflicting with the old leftover Office 2016 license. Even if you uninstall Office 2016 normally, the license still remains stored in your system files. This leftover license is exactly what prevents the OSPPREARM method from working correctly. So before rearming, you first need to completely remove the old Office 2016 license. To fix this, first open up your file and go to this PC here. Open your C drive or the drive where Office is installed and go to Program Files. If you're using 32-bit Windows, you may need to open the Program Files x86 folder instead. Inside, look for a folder named Microsoft Office. If you cannot find it, simply search for Office 16 directly inside your C drive. Once you find the folder, open it and then open the subfolder called Office 16. Now click the address bar at the top and copy the full folder path. After that, go to the Windows search bar, type command prompt, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Inside command prompt, type cd followed by a space, then press Ctrl+V to paste the folder path. Hit enter. This command moves command prompt into the Office 16 directory. Next, run the first command, which is this. Make sure type exactly this. When you execute it, it will show you the full status of your Office installation, including the product name, the SKU ID, and the last 5 characters of your product key. Copy those last 5 characters, then run the second command, which I will show you. Make sure to put exactly this and paste those last 5 characters and press enter. If the command runs successfully, you'll see a message that says product key uninstall successful, which means the old Office license has been removed. After removing the old license, it's time to properly rearm Microsoft Office. Now, go back to Office 16 file directory, copy the Office 16 folder path again, then go ahead and open command prompt as administrator one more time. Here, type cd followed by a space, paste the path and press enter. Now run the first command that we ran previously. This command will display the updated Office status along with the new SKU ID. Copy that SKU ID carefully. Finally, run the last command, which is this. Make sure paste it correctly, cause errors can disturb the process, and then paste the .SKU ID. This time, you should see the message Microsoft Office rearm successful. Once you're done, simply close all your Office apps and reopen them. The rearm error should no longer appear, and the product activation failed banner at the top should also be gone. At this point, Microsoft Office should be working normally again without any rearm related problems. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.